Hello guys, hello managers, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Cycling Team Fantasy. Today, a quick video before the deadline tomorrow with the start of the Omloop het Nieuwsblad. So I will show you my team as for now. So as you can see, I have the obvious pick, Pogacar, Van der Poel, Van Aert, Philipsen, Pidcock, Magnier, Milan. We will get back to him later. Brennan, Wellens, Fretin, Hofstetter, Laporte, Vermersch, Groenewegen, Van Baarle, Bayer, Bisterbos, Johansen, Norsgaard, and Sentius. So let me explain why I did pick some of these sets. I will not spend time of the obvious one. Maybe on Milan, Hofstetter, and 2 millions. Why I pick Milan? I pick Milan because of Kuurne, Brussels, Kuurne. But when I pick him, the planning of Mathieu van der Poel was not announced yet. So now, if I look in my planning that I did on Excel, as you can see, I put a little L for every race, for every leader, that for every rider, sorry, that will be my leader. So you see that at the Omloop it will be Mathieu, and that in Kuurne it will be Jonathan Milan. But as I see now, every time Jonathan Milan is racing, as you can see, you have Pogacar or Van Aert. So it's not good at all, because I think that when you will have Mathieu or Tadej, obviously you will not have a sprint except a big surprise. So that's why I'm really wondering if I will keep Jonathan Milan. On paper, you can see that the team looks good. Alors, why did I pick Thomas Bayer, for example? I picked Thomas Bayer because I want the points if Mathieu wins the Nieuwsblad. I took Fritz Bilsterbos because, as you see in his preparation race, he did very well in few sprints. And he's good at gravel as well. So if you are good at gravel, you may be good at cobbles as well, and by riding on the side roads in the grass. So could be good. Johan said because he's a teammate of the UAE team. He's a good ruler, and I think that he could get points if Wellens or Vermersch win the race. And with him, he could be in a border with his teammates, if we have crosswind, for example, at Gand-Wevelgem, and maybe get points and finish in the top 30 of the race. Norsgaard, it was because I needed the points as well, teammate points, if Milan wins, sorry, Kuurne, Brussels, Kuurne, and Sentius because he got good planning and is one of the obvious pick. But big question mark on Jonathan Milan. Should I keep him? So I have few options in my mind, I think. So if I sell, for example, Milan, my first option would be, for example, to take Arnaud Delis, which got a good planning. Okay, I took Delis. I've got one more left in the bank. So, for example, I could upgrade a 2 million guy for a 3 million. I could replace him by maybe Tomias Bayer or Northgard by a 3 million guy like, for example, Tom Krabbe or Stefan de Skuytener. My second option, and maybe I will do it tomorrow, is not going with Dolly, but is going with a 5 million guy. Like, for example, I'm still thinking either Binyam Girmay or maybe Jordi Meus. I don't know. Let's take, for example, Jordi Meus because he got a good planning. I could then upgrade my 2 millions by going with both of Tom Krabbe and Stefan de Skuytener. And the third option is maybe going with a 4 million, like Gianni Vermeersch, and then upgrade. I could upgrade the 2 millions guy by Krabbe, the Skuytener, and I would like to take a punt with Albert Wesen Philipson. I will not spend more time on my team selection. I will put it again. What do you think of my team selection as it stands right now? If you replace just Jordi Meus by if I keep Jonathan Milan, do you think it's a good pick? I think that Jonathan Milan can be a real differential on for the Brussels-Kurn, but obviously. After that, I think it will be very difficult for him to score points, because if Mathieu is and Tadej is in schedule to start the race, in my opinion, maybe he could do some top 10 if you have a chasing group. But I think that's it. He will not win the race, and you know that you want your rider to be in the top 5 to score a maximum of points. That's it for today. Remember, I will be live tomorrow at 10 a.m. Just 1 hour before the start of the Omlopet Newsblad. So, as always, don't forget to subscribe. You can ask me some question in the comment below the video. Don't forget to follow me on X, join the mini leagues on Sportza, and I have also mini leagues if you do the Star Games in the Pro Cycling Stat. You can join as well. So that's it for today, and don't forget, as Richard Virenque used to say, je vous donne rendez-vous à l'année prochaine. Bye bye.
Je donne rendez-vous à l'année prochaine.